So this is probably one of the most suggested topics when it comes to the Orion's RPG tutorial series, and you may wonder what it is. This video is going to go over the quest and chat system in Orion's RPG Kit. And yes, I know for a couple people have already made videos on these before, but we're just going to go ahead and do our own version of this, because actually some things are actually bugged out with the kit itself because of this, so stay tuned and we're going to hop right in it. Start the show. Hey everyone, this is back from the review. Welcome back. Today, this is just going to be a quick, well, not quick, but this is going to be a bit of a more advanced tutorial for the quest and chat system. Now, yes, the quest and chat system in Orion's RPG is a big bug, but we're going to hop right into it and just show you guys how to fix it and how to work with it. Anyways, that being said, let's run it. Before beginning, if you guys are channel my partial content, then please be sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell on the channel. But you also not miss you. That being said, let's run it. So, yes, now you may be wondering what's bugged out about this kit. Now, let's get started with the first thing first, actually, before we get straight into it, before we get into the bugs and everything. How do we work with this quest system, and how does the quest system work? Well, basically, you need an NPC, and for this, we have a villager. So, say hello to this villager right here. Is going to be our test subject dummy for the whole video. That's right, guys. We're just going to use this guy for the whole video. So, sorry, everyone, but we had to torture this guy to make this guy work. So, anyways, how do we get this guy started? So, in order to get this guy started, all you need to do is simply make sure that the villager or NPC that you have has a thing called info. It should come with the kit itself. So, basically, I think if I'm correct, it should have this. If I'm correct, so it should have. So, when you go into info, you should have infos, quests, camera distance, quest settings, all that stuff. There's a dialogue system and a quest system. This video, I didn't go too in depth into it. I didn't really go in depth into it. So this video is gonna do just that, and I was gonna go over how to make quests and all that stuff. So, you guys want to get this, you find it helpful, then please be sure to subscribe, like, and turn on bell. But that being said, let's get into it for real this time. So yes, let's start things off with the mob itself. So to simply activate this guy's quest feature or mob system, you gotta make sure it has the talking thing in there, and go to NPCs and go to talk and so basically what you want to do is go and put your NPCs into here, the talking script, the talking info, and the talking folder and NPCs. Make sure the guy has the info thing, which I said earlier, and it should work if I'm correct. Now if I just play it should, if I'm correct, work. Yep, here's the villager. So here's our villager guy right here. So yes, he says hello and everything else like that. Now the villager is a big bug right now, so I'm just going to show you guys a couple fixes. So anyways, let's talk about let's go and talk about the whole now let's go. There's one fix that I do need to go over. So let's go ahead and just make a test real quick. So sometimes when you're working with this sometimes, so let's say you have a long ass thing to say, like hello. We're just gonna copy this like 500 more times and play it, and it should really, and it basically what's gonna show is what it's gonna show something. So let's do this. Oh wait, what? Hold on, that doesn't make sense at all. I thought I did that. Hold on. Let's copy this and paste it into the quest. Okay, here it is. Now we're just gonna do that, and we're just gonna replace this with hello. So yeah, basically what I'm saying is that the whole, sometimes when you have a long UI or a long text thing, basically it's gonna basically not real. It's basically gonna like cut off a bit if you're not careful. So, but because it's not a text to skill thing. So what I'm gonna show you though is how to fix that. So basically what you want to do is go into Storage UI, go into Talk UI, click the main, and go into name frame and dialog frame. Click on these labels. Click on these labels right here. Scroll down, and you should see something called text scale. Make sure these are enabled. If they're not enabled, then that means that it will not. No matter how. Then if it's not enabled, then it'll cut off the whole text if it's a long dialogue thing. So yeah. Anyways, this is what it should look like now, if I'm correct. So yeah, it is kind of a bit messed up. That's because we kind of didn't give it spaces. So let's say, for example, we decided so that should help. That should fix something. So picture this. So basically, picture this. You have like a hello. This guy gives a weird ass introduction about why this guy is about something and all that stuff. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that say like you have a long dialogue where like you're telling it the quest and you're telling it like the backstory of the player and stuff. Well, basically, what this will do is that it will basically just it'll basically just like what it's gonna do is it's gonna make sure that everything it will be seen. And yeah, now that's one fix out of the way. Now let's talk about the next fixes. There are also two new fixes I kind of want to go over too that I haven't gone over ever before. This is going. So this is a bug that I kind of wanted to go over. So go into start. So what you want to do is this is what this is going to do is this is going to fix called bugs when you progress later in the game. So I have a encounter. This doesn't really have an encounter with this. This is a bug you won't encounter with like big games or with small games like this one. But you will encounter it as you go on with your RPG game. You make it bigger when you make it into a bigger game. So basically you'll see that quests and NPCs just won't talk at all. Like for example, like this guy, when you press E, no matter what, it will not work. That's a fit. There's a bug there, and there's also a bug where basically when you do like get a quest, it won't show up on the quest tab unless you reset your character. So I'm gonna show you how to fix those two things. Now to fix those two things, you're gonna need the first. So the first thing is how to fix the talk UI not being able to work. So to fix that, I think what I did was I went into the Start UI, Talk UI, Client Main, or the client at least, and I went down to line 58 if I'm correct. Yeah, line 58 right here. I replaced this humanoid thing with, instead of this, I went into char wait for child if I'm correct. Yeah, so wait for child. And then do that, or you can just simply copy the code I'm going to give you in the description, paste that, and you should be good. So that should probably be it for now. So there's that. Now I'm going to go over how to fix the quest not showing up in the quest section when you are given those quests. So what we want to do is go into okay, that's not it. What we want to do is go into Start UI Additions, open this up, and go to the addition script. What you next want to do is go down to line 163, if I'm correct. Yes, right here. Or line 161. That was not what I had earlier, but okay. Anyways, let's copy this, paste this into here, and it should fix everything, if I'm correct. Yeah. I'm not sure why it's on 163, but apparently it is. Okay, that's weird. But basically, it's basically going to be either 161 or 163. Either one, it's basically where it says quest icon, current quest. You get it's basically where all this stuff is, where it's basically just equals. Basically, what you want to do is make sure sometimes the quest won't load. The quest won't be loaded when these are assigned. So basically, what this will do is it'll basically wait until the current value and finished value and objective value have been added into your quest. Your quest storage, your quest or data thing, or your quest data store. So, yeah, so that should probably be it. Now, if I'm correct, it should work. So, yeah, those are probably those are the two biggest things I kind of want to go over. So, yeah. So let's see. Can you touch the blue area? Thanks. Now, sure, let's go ahead and make the blue area and all that stuff. So, yes, the touch the blue area should work. The blue area we have here is this one. So, this is what the quest should be basically. So, what you want to do is go here. When you touch it, I believe it should do that. Yeah, touch the blue area. So go ahead and touch the blue area. Once you're done, you can do that. Now that's the main quest right there. So so there you have it. So that's basically your quest right there. That's basically one of the main quests. So that's basically what the quest is. But I'm gonna go over and show you how to make your own quest. So in the info tab or in the info module script, you will see, like I said, you'll see three things, and these are where you'll be able to configure all the quests. And say like you wanted to make a quest 1 for like, I don't know, like let's go ahead and make a quest 1 about him wanting to touch his house, which happens to be here apparently. And I'm not sure why it's here, but okay. We're not gonna ask any questions. Just ignore that, okay? So basically, let's just go ahead and get this quest area real quick, and move this into his house right here. So basically, what you want to do is just move this area to wherever you want. We're just gonna move this. Actually, got barricade. This might work actually. Yeah. Okay. So this should be it. Then we're gonna call this the house. quest area. I'm gonna make it 1, and I guess I'll go and do that to make it smoky gray. I'm sure I just have done that about that. So basically, you have your quest area, and it's like you wanted to touch it. You wanted to touch the door. So let's go ahead and go over here and go a look. So what you want to do is go into NPCs, go into talking. Oh no, oh yeah, no, that's not it. Where is it? Oh, the info. Yeah. So basically, it's the villagers' info. What you want to do is So basically, if you want to have quest enabled, you basically either go to info quest equals true or equals false, and if it's true, then you'll be required to use these. So basically, I'm gonna go over how to make them. So basically, the quest 1 and quest 2, I'm gonna go over a bit more. So basically, if you want to make a third quest, you would have to name this quest 3, nothing else, nothing more, nothing less. Quest 3. So let's go and start with the first one. So quest 1 is gonna be, let's see here, touch the villager's door. Now the quest name won't show up in your menu. That's from what I heard. But what will show up is the quest name objective. So basically, what you want to do is copy. What you want to do is so basically the quest name will not show up in your quest menu thing, but the quest objective will. So basically, what you want to do is just do that. You can give it the reward. So then what you want to do is go into your quest. So basically how it works. So yeah. So basically, if you want the quest area to, if you want the quest to be like you have to enter an area or anything like that, then you would have to use the area type of quest info thing. So basically how this works is that all you do basically leave the killables thing, which is basically the mobs needed to kill to advance the quest. But we'll go over that later. We're talking now right now about the area quest right now. So basically the first quest is gonna be the area quest. So what we need to do is go into here and paste the name of the part we need to touch, the house quest area. So basically touch the villager's door. The villager's house front door, I guess. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. House front door. House front door. All right, and then what we can do is just give it 500, and then what you want to do is now for the dialogue, it's pretty simple. So you may be wondering, what do I do here? So if you want to know how to work the quest dialogues, here's what you need to do. This is the normal dialogue that will show up when you complete all the quests that are not repeatable or are repeatable. So if you want to make it repeatable, which we will do, we're just going to go and make it true, and we'll probably make this true just for testing purposes. But if it's not true, then just simply make it false. But anyways, what you want to do is go into here. So basically that's the low requirement. We're going to make them repeatable just for the fun of it. So. And just for testing purposes. So basically, let's say you want to figure out how to make. So basically, let's say you want to set up the quest dialog for quest 1. So basically, you want to go down and scroll down to info.dialog and scroll down more until you see quest 1 down here. So basically, what that'll do is this will show up when you have quest 1 inactive right now. So let me show you how that works. So let's go ahead and let's start the first one. So let's say, hello, newcomer, and then let's say, hi, can you touch my house to make sure it is locked? Thanks. And then I will say, sure. So let's say you want to, and then let's say, okay, so that's that. All right, so there's that. And then so basically how this works is that so basically let's say it's basically dialogue. I'll show you if you want to know the dialogue system, it basically is like this. So basically how it works is that so basically this is what you say first. So basically let's say you interact with the NPC. This is what shows up first. Start. Let's say if you press E, it'll say hello newcomer. And then these are the choices. What will the NPC will be said? So let's say, for example, you want to make a new thing called 3, and say a new text called 3, which will just say the following: get away from me, you quest jerk. And don't ask why I'm doing this. I'm just doing it for testing purposes and just to show you guys how this works. So, and then what you want to do is, and then this is basically how the choices work. So basically, let's say, I also make sure you have commas. I did get a little bit, I might be jumping into a lot of stuff. I really apologize. I'm kind of that fast. I really apologize. So, slow down the video, go back, and you can always rewind if you guys want to. If you guys are still having trouble, just be sure to DM me on Discord. Or come to my server. We will always want to help you if you are having trouble. So basically, actually no. So basically, that is what the NPC will say actually. So basically, let's say. Okay, so basically, this is what the NPC will say, not what you'll say. What you'll say is down here. So basically, get away from me, you quest jerk, and then we'll say 3. And then when that works, it will say, so then what that will happen is when that happens, you will be meted with this. So let's go ahead and play the game and see what happens, if I'm correct. It should work if I'm correct. If not, then I might have done something wrong. Anyways, let's have a look. Hello, newcomer. Anyways, get away from me, you quest jerk. Bruh. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so you can clearly tell what happened now. So, yes, that's basically what happens when you work on it and stuff. So, yeah, anyways, that's basically what happens. So basically, in order, it's gonna. But let me actually just summarize it real quick. But in summary, I'm gonna go over it. So basically, how it works is that this is what the MC will say when you interact with them, and then this is what this is the choice you'll get when he's done saying his stuff. So basically, this the hi. So basically, what the choice they'll say, and then this will read what they'll redirect to. So basically, you have the number 1 here. That basically represents this right here, this dialogue name right here. So, and then what this will, and then you got this what I put in here, and then what the NPC said next, and that's at 3, and he said bruh, and that's see you soon. So that's basically it. So what you want to do is, and this is basically, now I'm going to show you so basically what you want to do is, now this is basically just one, so basically that's it. Now we're going to go over some of the different things. So basically this is what it says when you leave and when you accept the quest. This is what you said this is what it says when it's active. So basically when it's, oh my god. Sorry, I'm just winging it right now. But at this point, what I'm trying to say is that this is basically what I'll say when you leave, when you're done with dialogue. It says see you soon. The completed dialogue is basically what it says when you're finished with the quest. So let's say thanks for checking to make sure my house is locked. Oops, locked and safe. And then that should be it. Now let's just go ahead and customize some of the other stuff here. So I really apologize. I haven't really messed with this much, but I do know that there are some ways. But I kind of want to go over my way of how I usually do quests. So, but I kind of Sealess King spawned. Nice. Sealess King is also a boss I summoned that I made. So that's pretty cool. You guys want to know how to make bosses? Just be sure to take a look at just refer to one of my older videos. But basically, let's say he says hello newcomer. I'm gonna say hello. Can you touch my house block? Okay, so my bad. Can you touch my house to make sure it's locked? Thanks. Sure. See you soon. All right, so we're gonna go quest and touch the villager's house front door. Okay, so what you want to do is go down here and touch this and make sure it's locked. It looks like it's locked. I can tell. It doesn't have a knob. I'm not sure how you're able to go in there, but okay. Fair enough. Anyways, what you want to do is press E and thanks for checking to make sure my house is locked and safe. And see you soon. Alright, and that's basically how you fix it. Now that's one thing I need you, that's one thing you can do. So basically, and now you'll be wondering what happens if I want to repeat the quest? Well, basically what you want to do is go into this repeat thing right here. And this is basically a choice you get when you repeat it, when you want to repeat the quest. So let's say, I think your door is unlocked. Yeah, I have fast fingers. Unlocked. Can I check it real quick. Alright, I think your door is unlocked. Can I check it real quick? Alright, so that's basically what it will say when you want to repeat it. So let's go and try it one more time. Hello. I think your door is unlocked. Can I check it real quick? See you soon. Alright, and then I believe I'm correct. Yup, it's right there again. Hallelujah. Okay, so there you have it. I believe I'm correct. That should fix it. Press E, and thanks for checking to make sure my house is locked and safe. Alright, see you soon. And that's basically it. And I believe we should have gone to war. I think it was like 4,000 earlier, but now it's like 4,500. So you can clearly tell all this worked. Also, in case you want to know how to fix those, I'm not sure why, but that kind of gives me some weird OCD vibes, honestly. But basically, wow, they didn't make it possible, but I'll probably fix it. I'll probably might show how to fix it later if I do have time. But essentially, what you want to do is just copy your UI style, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, that's that. Now let's go into the next quest, which is quest 2. Now let's go ahead and make a quest, and let's just go for here and just figure it out. So basically, let's say you need to be level 5 for this, which I think will be pretty cool, I guess. I don't know. Let's just go with level 3. Now, let's go ahead and do Thief Revenge. Kill thieves to avenge the villager. So basically, you may be wondering how to work with killable quests or kill quests. So basically, how kill quests work is that basically there's going to be a quest amount here, and this is what you need in order for this to work. So basically, this is the quest amount. This is how many guys to kill. Let's say, for example, you wanted to choose this guy. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to know how to use this. So let's say you wanted to kill a thief. Maybe this guy give you 1 point. Then you can probably copy this and get an elite thief. And that'll give you 1 point. So basically how it works is basically like a point system, technically. So think about it like this. Basically, you kill a thief, you get 1 point. You kill an elite thief, you get 2 points. And basically, all these points will add up to this guy and will add up to the quest amount. And basically, in order to complete the quest, you need to make sure your score is basically equal to the quest amount. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. So I'm going to show you guys how this works. So it's kind of weird how they did it, but I guess it makes sense. I don't know. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and choose the thief commander as the next one. So alright, so let's go ahead and I'll show you how to make it. Now we'll just give this guy about 5, and we're gonna go and make the quest amount, or the score of it, 10, I guess, or 15. I don't know. Alright, so yeah, let's go ahead and try. And also, you can make multiple killable quests if you want. So basically, you guys wanted. So basically, I know my friend Coast here. Coast actually made a better video on this, but it's just been more of an in-depth guide in how to make quests, or my way of doing quests. Let's just be real. We all have our own different ways of doing quests, and I feel like I just would do mine, like usual. So basically, the quest amount here is 10, and if you want to do more killable quests, you can just copy this and paste this and copy and make a quest 3, and simple as that, honestly. But that'll be it for a later date. But for now, we're just gonna go. I'll show you how to make I'll show you how to make. Actually, let's just go. I'll show you how Coast did it, but since Coast I feel like did a really well job of making it work. So basically, the second quest is basically you have kill thieves to avenge the villager, and we're gonna call this part 1. So basically, okay, so thief revenge part 1. So we're gonna have this thief revenge quest be split into 3 parts. The first part is going to be the thief and elite thieves, and the second part is going to be the thief commander, and the third part will be the thief boss, which is the guy that I showed in my previous video. So pretty cool, I guess, but we're going to go over it later. And also, I think we're just going to go ahead and make the level requirement 1, and make sure, if you guys do have a level requirement here, make sure this is true. Otherwise, it will not work. But yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and hop right in it. So now let's go ahead and I'll show you how to also modify quest 2. So this is the quest 2 dialogue. So let's just say this guy needs help. So help hero. And let's say for one, what do you need help with, and then we can just do that. Can you kill some thieves? Okay, let's actually just replace this with some thieves have stolen my cookies and gold. Okay, so, and then what you want to do is and then what we can do is then delete. We're going to delete this and make this into okay. So we're just going to make this as okay, and it'll say to okay. Can you defeat the thieves and elite thieves? Thanks. And then what we can do is copy this option, paste it, make sure that is called 2, and we'll do sure. And then what we can do is do 3, and then actually let's go ahead and then basically what you want to do in case you want to make sure in case you want the mob to in case you want in case you want to just end the dialogue from there, what you want to do is say end instead of the number, and it's basically right here. So basically, yeah, that's basically honestly. So pretty much, I guess. So yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and hop right into the next one, and yeah, let's go ahead and talk. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So. I think we're ready now. Let's go ahead and test it just to make sure it works. I can't remember, but I should sure work. If not, then something might have come up. So, hello, hero. What do you need help with? Some thieves have stolen my cookies and gold. Okay, can you defeat the thieves and elite thieves? Thanks. Sure. See you soon. All right. So then you got this, and then we got to defeat 10 of the quests. So 10 of these guys. So let's go and defeat 10 of these guys. Now, keep in mind that we only are allowed to defeat the thieves and the elite thieves for this quest. Otherwise, we will not get anything. So, you notice how I defeated that guy, and I got 1 point. So, basically, these are points you have, and this is the quest amount of points that you are required for this quest. So, let's copy it. So, let's go and defeat a couple more thieves, and we'll go from there. Now, everyone's going to say, well, how about the elite thieves? Well, the elite thieves will do this. You also will get the same thing for the elite thieves, and also a beef boss bond, and we'll go and make a quest for that guy later. That will not be repeated if maybe at all possible. So yeah. Anyways, let's go and finish these guys off real quick. And yeah. All right. So we're getting pretty close here. The elite feet are still kind of a little bit hard. They're spread out. I'm not sure why I made them spread out, but I mean there you have it, I guess. So moving on. Now we got 2 more, and let's just go ahead and teleport spawn. Just kill one more guy right here, or we can just kill this guy right here because he's pretty damn close. All right, and he is dead. All right. So now what you want to do is press the E. Now I believe you should just, thanks for killing them. Alright, and I think the door, okay, and I say, wait, what? Hold on. I have to go. See you soon. Alright, I think that's it, Hold on. Alright, that was weird. I think it bugged out a bit. That's different. Okay. Fair enough. I think, did the quest get completed? Let me take a look. Let me just take a look just to make sure. Yeah, the quest I think I completed. Yeah. So basically I had 500, I had 4,000 earlier, now I have 5,000. Okay, so I did get that. Okay. So basically, hello. Okay, so basically let's go ahead and make let's go and edit the info a bit more and just make it a bit more better. And let's say like you wanted to, let's say, thanks for killing them. It helped me out a ton. All right, and then now if you wanted to repeat it, you can just say, can I kill more for the fun of it? And we're gonna try and look to see if it works. So yeah, that's technically it. Honestly, how you do quests. I will show you guys how to do a dialogue eventually too. But yeah, anyways, hello. Can I kill more for the fun of it? See you soon. All right, and we're gonna go over and how to show you some more quests. So let's go and kill more mobs for the fun of it, like I said earlier. So yeah, I also did go around and make I didn't go around and make magic in the previous video. Though I kind of did learn that the staffs don't really seem to bug out, or at least the projectiles at least. So if you guys want to know how to make quests, or you guys really do want to know how to make these type of weapons, I recommend you use the beam type projectile instead of the beam, or instead of the projectile type of spell. since that's not as buggy apparently. I'm not sure why it seems to be the case, but I had to look at it. Also, I didn't figure out how to fix the regen MP thing, which I will also go over too. It's actually pretty simple if you think about it, actually. So, let me just go ahead and did I kill? Oh no, I need 2 more. Right. And he's dead. All right. Let's head to spawn and let's go ahead and kill and get this guy. And we should, if I'm correct, get 6,000. Yes, we got 6,000 gold. Hallelujah. Okay, now say, I think your door's on. Okay, let's say I have to go. That's weird. Wait, did I ever make it repeatable? I think I forgot to make it repeatable. Give me a second real quick. Wait, what? That is weird. There might be something that's going on. Can I kill more for the fun of it? That is weird. What on earth? Did I do something wrong? Cause this is something different. That's so weird. Apparently, I can't seem to kill more. Apparently, I can't seem to kill more of the mobs. That is absolutely weird, honestly, huh? Let me try something real quick. Okay, that's different than what I'm used to. Let me try. Wait, did it fix it? Hello. Okay, yeah, it does work. Okay, it does work. We're good. Okay, I'm not sure what happened. Oh well. Anyways, that should be it. Now let's go ahead and do the last thing, which is the dialogue. So let's say so basically dialogue works like the quest, except there's no quest in here. So basically, if you want to know how to make, so basically in order to fix, so basically how this works is to say start. So let's say you want to start something. Let's say hello, newcomer. And say no, and then basically how it works is just okay. So basically, it works like the quest. Basically, these are an NPC dialogue choices, and these are the player dialogue choices. So basically, how this works is that when you start, you will be greeted with these options. Let's go ahead and start off with we're going to start with hi, and we'll say hello again. Okay, so let's say you wanted to do 1. Okay, so basically, and then what I'll do, that'll basically, what I'll do, like I said, I already went over this, but basically what that'll do will, you may already know the drill by now, honestly. So basically, it's basically matchmaking. Basically, we want to do, so basically we'll basically choose this dialogue choice next, and and then when that choice next, we create these choices, and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and do this. Hello again. Who are you? Who are you? So yeah. Anyways, so hello. Yeah, so we're just gonna go and make a okay, so we're going to go ahead and see if that works. So, alright, so, who are you? I am from NPC. Wow. Okay, you're so boring. Okay, yeah, you can tell. Alright, so that should basically be the quest item. So basically, if you want to make a second and third option, you can do that. So, pretty cool. Anyway, let's just go and see if this works since we already got this done. So, yeah, alright, let's go. Press E, and we're going to say, hello, newcomer. And we're going to say this. How are you? Hello again. And we're going to say, hi. Okay, you're weird. See you soon. Alright, fair enough. I don't know. I mean, it's whatever. Okay, how are you? Alright, so hello? Alright, so we're just gonna do that instead and see if that works. We're gonna see if that works now. Hello? Newcomer. Hello? Hello again? Hi. Okay, you're weird. See you soon. Okay, so you pretty much get the point now. That's basically how you work with the quests and you work out the quest system. So yeah, the quest and chat system is a bit different. You may be wondering how to actually make a dialogue system without enabling quests. It's actually pretty damn simple. Let's just go ahead and paste this real quick, and I'm gonna show you how to also make the how to make this work with without all this work with all this. So we're basically what we're gonna do is make a second villager, and this will be villager without quests. So we're just gonna call what we're basically gonna do is basically go into the villager with no quests, go into info, and basically go into info quests and make sure this is false. And basically, since we don't have quests, just simply get rid of all these. Simple as that. Now, what you want to do now is go in. No, so basically, what you also want to do is get rid of these as well, since you're not really going to be working with these anymore. If I'm correct. So yeah, it's pretty simple at this point. So basically, hello newcomer, hi again. So basically, that's basically all you have to do. And I believe if I'm correct, it should work much like their quest. So yeah, the only reason why I deleted that was because I feel like it just it kind of just gets rid of all the clutter and stuff when we're working with quests and working with our stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and play that and see if it works. Let's look at everything. So villager talk. Hello newcomer. Hello. Hello again. Hi. Okay, you're weird. I'll see you soon. Okay, so that really is all about it for that. Now let's go ahead and now I'm going to show you another tip that I kind of want to go over. I kind of talked to Coach about this, and I kind of want to show you guys how to do this too. It's pretty interesting, but you may notice that these mobs don't seem to have a name on top of them. So basically, what you want to do is go into here. Get a shop pawn or whatever craft. Go into the shop, click the union, copy this attachment. What you want to do is this will basically give a name tag in it on top of it. So like paste this into here and make sure the attachment is 001 and you should see something like this. And what you want to do, or what I'm going to do at least, is copy this. We're gonna give this guy the villager name tag. So that's his name, villager right there. Now we're gonna do the same thing here, except what we're gonna do, instead of calling it villager, we're gonna call him villager, but instead give the players an actual identifier that this guy has a quest. So basically, what this guy say would then say villager quest. So that's basically how you make villagers and stuff, and how that works. That's how I usually format my games, at least. I know it kind of doesn't really seem like the best option, but I feel like it would probably help out the game. It'll probably help out figure out where players have to go, and all that stuff. So this is the villager with the quest, and this is the villager with the UI, or with no quest at all. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of a small thing to talk about, but yeah. Anyways, let's go and talk. I kind of wanted now to end off the video. I think that's probably gonna be it. I mean, I did go over how to make. Actually, before we end off, I kind of want to do one more thing. It's not something we have to do, but considering I kind of promised I'll do this, I'm gonna show you how to make quests that Coach did in the past. So I'm gonna be right back, and I'll show you what I'm gonna make when I'm done. Alright, so I decided to give a couple more quests just to show you what we have here. So basically, I decided just to show you guys more of the I'm gonna show you guys more so of the quests I'll show you. So we have two new quests. We got the Thief Commander and the Thief Boss. And basically, if we press E, we should see something. Help, hero. What now? The Thief Commander has returned to beat me up. Help. Okay, fine. Can you defeat the Thief Commander 2 times? Thanks. Sure, whatever. See you soon. Alright, so what we're going to do is basically hop right into this. Actually, yeah, what we're going to do is get our best sword and get our best armor, if we can find the best armor that actually has the best walk speed. Okay, this will work. Yeah, so, what the heck? Hold on, this is different. Hold on, give me a second. What on earth? Okay. Hold on a second. Oh, there it is. Okay. Apparently it's a bug. Okay. We'll worry about the Thief Boss later, since the Thief Boss isn't part of the quest, but I believe he'll be part of the later quest. But basically, what we're trying to do is show you how to fix how to do the current boss right now. So, I'm going to defeat Commander right here. We're going to defeat him 2 times. So, let's go and do just that. With the help of this sword and the boss sword and armor, which I believe we made in the first episode, I think. That's crazy. So, yeah. Anyways, I believe we got 2 times. Just one more time, and we should be good to go. Alright, so, and that should do it. Let's take a look. Yep, we're good. Alright, Now let's go into this guy real quick. A villager quest and press R or press E, whatever. Thanks for killing him. It helped out a ton. All right, I have to go. See you soon. All right, so now what we're gonna do is do this. Help hero. Get a life. The thief boss is here. He needs to be defeated to ensure justice. Huh? Can you defeat the thief boss one time? Thanks. 5 minutes last time. See you soon. Alright, so let's go and defeat the thief boss one time. If I'm correct, yeah. So, kill the thief's event to avenge the villager, part 3. So basically what we're going to do is defeat this guy one more time, and then we will pretty much be done, and then we'll pretty much be done with the whole video. Yeah, so if you guys did find this video enjoyable, or you guys did find this video or entertaining, or if you did find this video at least somewhat educational, and you learned a lot in this video, then please be sure to let me know. And yeah, but anyways, that's basically my part on the whole quest chat system. If you guys do want some more tips and tricks on the whole chat and quest system, then be sure to take a look at Coast's video. He did a bit of a more interesting guy on it. He also made it make keys and all that stuff. And we have done it. Hallelujah. So yeah, it's basically the villager quest for you, and yeah, we have officially completed all the quests. We've gotten everything. We now have 14k gold. So yeah, that's probably gonna be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, guys. When I'm partial kind of like this, and please be sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell on the channel. But you also miss you. Here's my partial comments in the future. But apart from that, I'll probably be go heading out for now. Have a good one, and thanks for watching. And you guys have more questions, then be sure to take a look at the and like I said, be sure to take a look at our server if you guys do have any questions and stuff like that. And apart from that, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this beginning to now. Peace. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering this fear, I'm busting through the ceiling.